Today I'm doing max pull-ups in one hang, round number 2. I actually tried this on March 29th and I was able to get 30. I want to get my max pull-ups in one hang to 50. So we'll see the progress that I've made in 38, 39 days. Let's go. Honestly, I'm super happy with that. I was able to hit 31, one more than last time, or as I like to think about it, a 3.33% increase just from 38, 39 days ago. If I can multiply that over a span of a year, I'll be hitting 38, 39 in a year's time. Let's go. You know what time it is. Another day, another run. Let's get it. Run done for the day, and the odd number pull-ups did not sit well with me, so when I got back I just did one more set of 19 to make it an even 50 for the day. And I think this is something that I'm going to be doing every once in a while, every month to 2 months, just to see my progress over the next few years, because I definitely want to get up to 50 in one hang. That is my goal. And today was a very short run. It was only 2 miles just to get the legs moving, just to keep my streak of running going. I am aiming for 365 days of running. Plus, in 2 days' time, or probably less than 2 days' time, on Friday at 12 a.m., I will be doing the Burn 10K in a Day challenge. So I want to make sure that I give my legs enough rest. And today was actually one of those days where I was super busy throughout the day and I had a very late start as far as my exercise. I started doing pull-ups around 4:45, 5, and then I started running around 5:30, 5:35. And as the day went on, honestly, I was dreading it and I didn't want to do anything. And there was a few minutes where it's just like, just sitting there and not wanting to do anything, staring at my shoes. But then I thought to myself and reminded myself of my goals that I put out to the world, and reminded myself, how bad do you want it? And then I tell myself, or I answer to myself, I want it, and I want it bad. And just like that, got up to the pull-up bar, did my pull-ups, did my squats, went out for a run, and I'm glad I did. And there are days when I feel like this. Actually, a lot of days, because I'm tired, I'm dragging butt, I had a long day, but I'm always glad that I got it going, and I'm happy that I got my sweat in, I got my workout in, and then I'm that one step closer to my goals. So, thanks for watching, thanks for following my journey. Hope y'all enjoyed another day of my exercise, of me ranting, of me talking. Let me know down in the comments if you have any feedback, what you would like to see, maybe upgrading my editing. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helped me out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you tomorrow.